Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make milk and egg chapati. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this chapati recipe you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste. You're going to mix all the dry ingredients well, then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then you're going to mix that until it is crumbly as shown in the video. After that, we're going to add in 1 egg, then we're going to mix the flour and the egg until it is well combined. After the egg and the flour is well combined, we're going to add the milk gradually. Then we're going to mix until you form a dough. Make sure your milk is warm. After that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and knead the dough until it is soft. After dividing the dough into 5 portions, you're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes before rolling them out. After rolling out the dough, you are going to spread some oil as shown in this video. Then you're going to sprinkle some milk powder. But if you don't have milk powder, you can just sprinkle some flour. After sprinkle some flour, you're going to fold as shown in this video. When doing this recipe, kindly fold the dough as shown in these videos because you are not making the normal round chapatis, you are making the square chapatis. So your fold should be as shown in this video. You'll then repeat the process of rolling out the dough, spreading some oil and sprinkling some milk powder, then fold as shown in this video until all the doughs are done. After rolling out the dough, you're going to place it on a heated pan. Then you're going to pan fry it for about 2 minutes both sides before adding some oil. You then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and start frying your chapatis until they are nicely golden brown. Make sure you fry your chapatis until both sides are nicely golden brown and well cooked. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside, and repeat the process of frying other chapatis until you're done. You repeat the process of frying the chapatis until all are done. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Thank you so much for the love and support you have shown me on my previous videos. I don't take you for granted. Be blessed for that. As you can see from these videos, our chapati turned out so well. They were so delicious and flavorful. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their milk egg chapatis at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.